Hello everyone, today we will see topic number 10, surface and line models in ANSYS Workbench. In this chapter we will discuss the structural and thermal simulation responses of problems that can be analyzed with surface or line models, which includes plane stresses, plane strain or axisymmetric problems, plate or the shell problems, line body, beam element problems. So introduction. Surface models are often easier to develop and easier to solve than solid models and can be employed in many practical situations. If they can accurately represent the behavior of the object under consideration, we are interested in two-dimensional surface. For plane stress, plane strain or axisymmetric analysis and three-dimensional surface models for plate analysis. Plate or shell structural components are surfaces that resist load applied normal and parallel to their surfaces and provide resistance to bending and in-plane deformation similar to beam components. The plate surface of the deck of a ship is a typical example. Okay, so this is the problem for today's session. So we are going to go through it on a practical basis. Okay, so we have to create a plate which dimension are 100 mm long and 400 mm width and it's 10 mm thick, and we have to create a one circular hole of 200 mm at the center. Okay, so we are going to see in a practical way. So open the ANSYS Workbench, drag and drop the project, give the material. We are taking the structural steel as the material of the project. Then we have to create the geometry. So now we are creating the geometry, as we all know how to create the geometry. So now we have already created the geometry as per our problem requirement. Now we are going to convert this sketch into surface. Okay, so there is an option for surfaces from sketches. So we'll click on this and we'll click the sketch and click on apply and click on generate. So it will generate a sketch into the surface with 0 thickness. So our model is completed, geometry is completed. Now we are going to see into the mechanical. So now double click on the model. So now we have to apply some thickness for our surface sketch. So we'll click on geometry and in surface body we'll apply 10 mm of thickness, and then we are gonna do the meshing. Right click and just click on generate mesh. Let's see if the thickness is applied. Yeah, it's applied. Then next we are gonna apply some supports. So I'm going to apply the fixed support. Apply to this edge, click on apply, and then I'm going to apply loads. So to this edge, apply to give the magnitude of 50 Newton. Okay,